Now I only need a beach in virtual reality, a cocktail, and a windblower in my face. And I can just enjoy the summer like this. That's right. What's up, MERP Squad? Welcome back to the channel. That's right. Look at this. We got the Oculus Rift right here. You've seen it in the video before, the 100K special. Oculus themselves sent me this. Really wanted me to have this. I really wanted to have it as well. And we're gonna unbox it today. I'm really enthusiastic, excited. I can use a lot of words for this. I've been waiting for this product for a very long time. It was on my list. I had the HTC Vive for a very long time already. I own the HTC Vive for almost a year, but I really wanted to have this product as well, but I just couldn't because my money or my bank account wouldn't let me. And Oculus is just so nice to just send this over to me, and they want to show their virtual reality, and I really can't wait to dive in. This is just going to be an unboxing video. We're not gonna play any games with this video yet, but there will be videos coming up real soon, and I really can't wait. Let's just open this piece of shit up. As you guys can see, on the front, it says Oculus Rift Virtual Reality Recommended System Specs, Windows PC with Internet Access, Windows 7 SP1, 64 bits or newer, NVIDIA GTX 970, AMD R9 290 equivalent or greater. I suggest you guys to go above the 1000. So I would say the GTX 1060 at least, because there's a lot of virtual reality games that are just really heavy to play. I own a GTX 1080 and I sometimes have problems, so I suggest a 1060 at least. An Intel i5 4590 equivalent or greater, compatible HDMI 1.3 video output, 3 times USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port. 8 gigs of RAM or higher. Yeah. I suggest to have more than 8 GB of RAM as well. So at the back we can see the sensors. They look really slick. That's right. 2 controllers and the headset. We can see a couple of games as well. Robo Recall, I played it already. It's a really good Oculus exclusive. I played it with the HTC Vive, but the frame rate was really bad. So I'm gonna definitely dive back into this game and make a video about Robo Recall as well with the Oculus Rift. Dead and Buried, I really want to play this one as well. Medium, I saw some things, great things that people created with Medium. It's a 3D kind of Oculus game where you can just create and let your creative mind go wild. That's right. Let's just shove this off. There we go. Let's open the box. Oh man. Here we got the controllers, the touch controllers. They feel so light. And the triggers feel so soft. You don't have to press fast or you don't have to press hard to make it work. And the trigger or the grip buttons, man. HTC Vive, why these controllers? Oculus is definitely doing it better with the comfortability of the controllers. It just feels really good in the hands. And then we got like the 2 thumbsticks. As you can see here, we got the X and the Y, and the A and the B. And then we got the Oculus menu button, the grip buttons, and the trigger buttons. Man, I need to say that this feels really comfortable. I don't see any charging spots, so there's just batteries going into this, and that's fine. You can just buy rechargeable batteries and use them and charge them and use them and charge them. I don't think these batteries will die really quickly either. I get the feeling, but I really need to figure that out myself first. I'm just gonna stop real quick to say, Oculus, thank you for making me this excited. Man, I don't want to get emotional, but I don't only want to thank Oculus, I really want to thank everyone, you guys as well, for making this possible. Man, it's just crazy. It's been a crazy experience for the last year, and it's getting crazier and crazier right now. You guys know that I love VR because I can just be in that virtual reality and I can just immerse myself. I can force to immerse myself and make some kind of movie style VR videos for you guys, and I really love to do this. I can be a retard as well, not even acting, but just being really retarded, because I am actually really retarded, but you guys already know that. But Oculus, thank you out of the bottom of my heart to send this product over to me. You guys are just expanding my dream right now, and I can even make more VR videos with all your exclusives, and that's actually really freaking awesome. Yeah! This is great, man. Holy shit. Okay, so we have a sensor right here. That's right. Slick sensor. We just need to put them somewhere on a table or whatever. I'll just figure that out tomorrow, because I'm gonna place it tomorrow. I'm gonna install everything tomorrow. And then we're going to play some Oculus games. Yeah! Okay, so now for the headset. Let's just get the headset out. Man, look at this. Just take a quick look. It feels 10 times lighter than the HTC Vive, I can tell you this. Man, let's just put this on. I really want to remember the feeling, because I played once on the Oculus Rift and I forgot how it was, how the comfortability was, and I really want to know. So I'm gonna put it on. There we go. It's on, and this feels so good. Normally, I am done playing VR games after an hour because my head's going to hurt, because there's like a lot of weight on this side, just pulling here all the time, and it's getting like a little bit of a burning feeling right here. But no, I can make longer videos with this. That's right. Now I only need a beach in virtual reality, a cocktail, and a windblower in my face, and I can just enjoy the summer like this for a couple of hours. I think I can even fall asleep with this headset on. This is really freaking comfortable. The cushions here are really comfortable on the back of my head. These things on my ears are just clamping at the right pressure, not even much pressure, it's just touching my ears. This is crazy. I just want to tell you guys the specifications of the headset. It has an OLED display, 2160 by 1200 resolution, 90 Hz refreshing rate. You really need this refresh rate to not feel uncomfortable with your stomach and everything, because I felt motion sick with other devices that didn't have the 90 Hz refresh rate. It's really important. Built-in audio. Of course, you've seen this beautiful audio straps on the side, built-in mic, but this is at the moment the most cheapest headset on the market. And I'm not saying this because I got sponsored by Oculus. It's just a clear fact that the Oculus is the most cheap headset, but not with quality, because I can tell you that with the comfort, they already have a big plus and one step ahead of the HTC Vive. I'm not gonna lie about this. With the comfort, it's just way better. I need to experience everything else further, and I will keep you guys updated with this, what I think about it when I play some games. But I think I'm just gonna love this product, and I really can't wait to make the first video with this, and you guys will see it on my YouTube channel really soon. I really want to thank everyone out of the bottom of my heart that you guys are just so supportive. It's crazy. Man, like, I wouldn't have been here without you guys, and I wouldn't have this. I wouldn't have the things I have right now, and I just want to stand still for this little moment, and let's just have a moment of silence for 20 seconds to respect the MERP squad for doing this. 20 seconds. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace shit. Bye.